Hi, Michelle here. Hallelujah. I walked outside. It's blistering hot, 106, and it looks like the rains are coming. So check this out. Yep, look at all of that. You can see the rain coming down. And we desperately need it here in Tucson. So, this is an announcement for our Coffee with Michelle call. And what we're going to talk about tomorrow is the calming effect of sounds. So I recorded bird song. It was a red-winged blackbird. And I didn't get film footage, I just got audio. So I'm going to be quiet for 30 seconds and I'm going to video edit the bird in. Here we go. Okay, so think about what are the calming sounds that you appreciate that really help calm you down, and come and share them tomorrow. And I'll see you then. Bye.